Hi, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use our Stampin spritzers that are available in our catalogue. Now they come in a 2-pack. I've already done some here, but I'm just going to show you with these. The item number is 126185. I think they're about £2.75 for a pack of 2. And you can fill them with water and you can put your inks in them and make spritzing inks. But today I'm going to show you how to make some shimmer mist using our champagne mist that's also available in our catalogue. This is item number 147044 and this is a shimmer paint. So as I say, I've already made some. These are going to be part of my thank you gifts for all the people that shopped with me and used my host code in June. So I'll just show you how easy it is to do. So they come like this. You just take off the lid and then unscrew the spray. And then I've got some 70% isopropyl alcohol, which is known as rubbing alcohol, and you can buy this on the internet. I'm just going to put some of this into this bottle. There's no exact measurements here. I'm just filling up maybe just under halfway. And then you give this a good shake. It's got like ball bearings inside it and it'll mix up all the paint. And then you can just pour it in drop by drop. But I've actually got this little syringe, plastic syringe, that I picked up off eBay. So I'm just going to put some in here. And then I'm just going to drop some drops in here. Just pressing slowly, just so I get a drop at a time. And I've put about 12 drops in there. I'm going to put the spritzer back in and the lid back on, and then you give it a good shake and it mixes up and it makes your own shimmer spray. And you can use this for anything. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to bring in a card. I'm not sure how well you're going to see this. You might not even see it on the video. But what I'm going to do, give it a good shake. I'm going to spray it into the air and then catch the spray. And then just put the lid back on it. And then it gives it a very, you're probably not going to see this, but it gives it a very, very fine, light glitter mist. A bit like using Wink of Stella, only instead of having to paint it on, you just spritz this on. And it's absolutely lovely. And because it's alcohol based, it dries more or less instantly and it won't saturate your card or anything. So that's just a quick tip on a way to use our all-purpose champagne mist ink with our spritzer bottles and some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. So I hope you found that helpful. Leave me a comment, let me know if you're going to give it a try. As I say, these are going to be, I've got a couple more to make up and these are going in my customer thank yous for everybody that shopped with me through my shop in June and used my host code. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.